Another thing that we're providing is what we refer to as our client welcome kit.
Wait, Chris, but they're not clients yet.
Oh, but they're going to become clients if we treat them like clients.
That's right. So many people say, why would you send a client welcome kit to somebody who's not a client? Well, it's actually two reasons. Number one, it's an assumptive close. We use assumptive closes all the time. And what that is, Chris, is I am assuming that you're going to work with me, so I'm going to start treating you like a client. That's the first reason. The second reason we send this is that it offers them tools of referral. How often might they send this to their friends and family members whenever they're talking about buying or selling real estate?
That is reason alone to send out a client welcome kit because, Gary, you've talked about the assumptive close, right? So part of treating a prospect and getting them to continue through the process is to assume they're going to become a client.
Absolutely.
Which means instead of treating them differently before they're under contract with us or before we've got a signed agreement, is we're going to treat them like a client from the very beginning. So we provide them with this client welcome kit, and we're going to go into the format and we're going to get into an example. But by providing them with this resource, they now know that, oh, well, this is all of the services that Gary's going to provide. Here's the advantages of working with Gary and being his client. And wow, if anybody else that I know, like if they, now I've got a tool to refer you. Now they may not be thinking of that, so you will have to explain to them, hey, feel free to share my client welcome kit with anybody that you know who's thinking of buying or selling a home so that they can get the same level of service, right? Because what we're gonna do is and I'm gonna get in the format here in a second, but we're gonna jam pack that thing with tools and resources so that I, as a prospective client, or I as a referred person who's thinking of working with you, is now looking at it and saying, gosh, Gary's an expert. Look at all this valuable information that he's provided. So the client welcome kit is, for the referring opportunity alone, is reason to do this. But also, as we're setting up this opportunity for going on the listing appointment, we want them to know what the expectations are and what the benefits and advantages of working with us and being a client of ours.
And not just that, it actually goes through, and we're going to take a look at this, it goes through step by step and educates the client on all of the services that we provide. I can't tell you how many times I've had clients say, well, we didn't have you list our house or sell our house because you only work with luxury clients. Or, gosh, we bought these investment properties because we know you don't deal with investment properties. And so what that is a wake-up call. Is like, we need to educate our clients about all of the services that we provide. So anytime they have real estate needs, who are they going to call?
Ghostbusters. Us. All right, so the format is 4 parts, right? So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we provide useful tips and expert advice to both buyers and sellers.
Absolutely, because if this is a client welcome kit, again, we need to educate them about all of the services. And aren't most sellers buyers as well?
Right. The other thing we want to do is show the advantages of working with you. So this gives them a reason to work with you as opposed to somebody else, right? Like I said, we're providing a template, and we're going to look at the actual examples of each one of these 4 things. But I want to address the high-level format so that you know what's happening here with this client welcome kit. The other thing we want to do is make what we call specific offers of help. Hey, if you need help with real estate, call me, is not a specific offer of help. So it makes it harder for me to engage you, because I might say, well, is real estate and investment property the same thing? Or, does Gary work in the luxury market or does he work in this market? Is vacation rentals the same? So by making more specific offers of help, we're able to directly connect to what their circumstances, because a lot of times our clients or prospective clients are in circumstances, right, that they don't know if we can handle. It's kind of like the generalist versus the specialist approach when it comes to being in medicine, right? So now we may be kind of the generalist specialist. I mean, in this case, we're the specialist when it comes to listings. We're the listing expert. But we got to make sure that we provide enough information and give them opportunities to engage us on certain levels, right? So the last thing we want to do is set expectations on the communication as well as the experience.
Absolutely. I can't tell you how many times that when they just have no idea of when we're going to be reaching out to them, what is it going to be like working with us, we have to remove that ignorance because they're ignorant about what the process is going to be like. The more we educate them, the more we remove the potential for fear.
So let's take a look at this actual template that we have. And Gary, this has got you in it, so that it's going to show you, and it's got information about you in here. But it's pretty straightforward here. The first section is, and this first page is talking a little bit about us. Then, in this case, we have lots of examples of resources, right? So we want to educate, we want to inform. In this case, it's for home buying related information.
Right.
Another thing we want to do is show them the advantages in buying with us, right? So we've shared tools and resources and information about home buying. Now we want them to know, well, there are advantages in working with us as opposed to working with somebody else, right?
Absolutely. So again, another point of differentiation, and sometimes it can't be just offering them something. It's like we really need to spell this out for them.
Well, I find that this is where the true professional shines, which is when they're able to relate, they're able to educate, they're able to relate, they're able to identify concerns and present solutions, while at the same time showing the client while they're the best option to work with,
Absolutely.
Right? And it's just taking that next step. And sometimes it's just saying, like, here's the advantages of working. You're in this situation, here's the advantages of working with me. Now, we mentioned earlier in discussing the format about making direct offers or specific offers of help. Here's an example of that, Gary. It says, thinking of buying a home, sign up for my Homebuyer Direct Access program. You can create lots of versions of this. You can create your own, first-time investor package. Lots of variations of this can show up in your client welcome kit because we do, and then this next section, we talk about the advantages of selling a home with us.
Yep.
Then we also want to provide, same thing, resources and information on selling a home. And same thing here, we've opted for video. You could use blog posts or links to other industry information where they can get educated. And we're the conductor of that information. But then we, again, make a specific offer of help to get access to the expert home value analysis,
Yep.
i.e. a consultation. But again, here's what we're doing is we're structuring and packaging this as something that they can benefit from. Not just a service that we're going to render and provide, but it's packaged up in something where they can engage us because it's a very specific offer of help.
Right, and the specificity actually addresses the what's in it for me. So we could just say what they get, or we could actually get in and explain what they are.
Particular page addresses the ongoing communication they're going to receive before, during, and after the transaction, which is we call it the monthly value program. And we're going to talk more about that in a later section. But so then we just go through and we mention all of the additional benefits that we have. We want to make sure we wrap it up with an easy way to get a hold of us and all the different places to get a hold of us. And that's quite simply the client welcome kit.